don't hesitate. And having Saudi Arabia open right now was a miracle in itself. And open to a Christian tour, beyond belief. I was so blessed to be able to come and spend this time in Saudi Arabia, especially as a woman and as a Christian.
Civilization change at this place. No, not in this tent, although it is the Feast of Sukkot. Right over there, we are going to camp right here at the base of Mount Sinai, and we're going to take our first team, our first expedition, up there. It's about a 3-hour hike, but we've got Bedouin hospitality here. We've got comfortable tents, and we're going to start off around 5, 6 in the morning. I'm going to climb that peak, and you see the charred top of that. That's Mount Sinai. I never get tired of looking at that. So it's going to be a wonderful climb. We're going to have a wonderful meal together, and I invite you to come and join me in our next expedition of the biblical tour of Saudi Arabia. That's following the footsteps. Musa, Moses, the prophet, the great prophet.